Good morning, students. Today we will start with our topic straight lines. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. If a line is parallel to x-axis, it is in the form y is equal to b. If a line is parallel to x-axis, it is in the form x is equal to a. The general equation of line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Equation of line through the points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2, that is 2-point form, is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. Equation of line passing through a given point x1 y1 having slope m, that is point slope form, is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Then we have the slope intercept form. The slope of a line is m, y intercept is c. Y intercept is the distance from origin, as you can see in the figure, of the point where the line cuts the y-axis. Y is equal to mx plus c. Intercept form. In intercept form, we are having a OA represented by a, OB represented by b as x and y intercepts. So x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 is the intercept form. Normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is the length of the perpendicular. As you can see, perpendicular drawn from O, length of the perpendicular is p from origin to the line AB, and alpha is the angle made by the perpendicular with positive x-axis. Find the equation of line passing through minus 4 3 having slope half. Point is x1 y1 minus 4 3, slope is m is equal to half. X1 is minus 4, y1 is 3, m is half. Equation in point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. In place of y1 we put 3, in place of x1 we put minus 4. We get the equation y minus 3 is equal to half x plus 4, 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4, and x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. The equation of a line passing through 2 points x1 y1 minus 1 1, x2 y2 2 and minus 4 is y minus y1 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. The 2-point form is y minus y1 is equal to minus 4 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 x plus 1. Y minus 1 is minus 5 upon 3 x plus 1, and the answer is 5x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Perpendicular distance from origin to a line is given 5 units and alpha angle is 30 degrees. We know the equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. We write it as x cos 30, y sin 30 is 5. Put the values of sin 30 and cos 30. The answer is root 3x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 2, 3 making equal intercept on the x-axis. The intercept form of equation is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, where a is equal to b and x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Let us equate the values in the equation and we get a is equal to 5, and the equation of the line we are getting after putting the value of a and b 5, we get x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Find the equation of a line passing through 2 2 and cutting intercepts having sum 9. We know x is 2, y is 2, A plus B is 9, so B is equal to 9 minus A. In the intercept form of equation, x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. We are equating x is equal to 2, A is equal to A, y is equal to 2, A is equal to B is equal to 9 minus A. Taking LCM, we solve and get the quadratic equation a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. The two values of a are 3 and 6 and corresponding values of b are 6 and 3. So we equate the values of a, a3, b6, a6, b3 in intercept form of equation and get the answer 2x plus y minus 6 and x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Sixth question is find the equation of a line passing through 0, 2 making an angle theta equal to 2 pi by 3 with positive axis. Also equation of a line parallel to it passing through 2 units below origin. The point x1 y1 is equal to 0 2. Slope m is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. X1 is 0, y1 is 2. M is equal to tan 2 pi by 3, that is tan pi minus pi by 3. Second quadrant tan is negative, so m is minus tan pi by 3 is equal to minus root 6. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3 x minus 2. Y minus, okay. So y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3x minus 0. We get the equation root 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now the parallel line is having same slope, so m will remain minus root 3, but the point will become 0 minus 2, 2 units below the origin. So the new equation will be y plus 2 is equal to minus root 3x minus 0, root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. The perpendicular from origin to a line meets it at minus 2, 9. Find the equation of a line. How to do it? Slope of OP is, slope the formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. x1 y1 at origin O is 0 0. x2 y2 is minus 2 9. So 9 minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 0 is m is equal to minus 9 upon 2. Slope of perpendicular line is minus 1 upon m1, that is minus 1 upon minus 9 by 2, that is plus 2 by 9. So point is minus 2 comma 9, slope is 2 by 9. So x1 is minus 2, y1 is 9 and m is 2 by 9. Equation is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, y minus 9 is equal to 2 by 9 x plus 2. Cross multiply and solve, we get the equation 2x minus 9y plus 85 equal to 0. Question number 8. Length of copper rod L is linear function of temperature. If L is 124.942, then C is 20. When L is 125.134, C is 110. Express N in terms of X or 10 terms of C. We get L is equal to AC plus B. So what we get, L is 124.942, C is 20, and L is equal to AC plus B. 124.942 is 20A plus B. Then L is 125.134 and C is 110. So the second equation is 125.134 equals 110A plus B. Subtract and we get the value of A is 0.092 upon 90. Put the value of A, we get the value of B. The value of B is 124.942 minus 20 into 0. 0.92 upon 90. Put in LA is equal to AC plus B. We get L is equal to 0.092 upon 90 C plus 124.92 minus 20 into 0.092 upon 90. L minus 124.942 is equal to 0.092 upon 90. Taken common, we get C minus 20 as the required equation. Ninth question is RAB is the midpoint of line segment between the axes. Prove that the equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. The midpoint of P and Q. The coordinates of P is P0, small p0, Q is 0, small q. So 0 plus P by 2 and Q plus 0 by 2 using midpoint formula, that is given A and B. So P by 2 is A and Q by 2 is B. So P is equal to 2A and Q is equal to 2B. As we know that P and Q are the x and y intercept. So in intercept form we are having x upon P plus y upon Q equal to 1. In place of P we put 2A, in place of Q we put 2B, we get x upon A plus y upon B equals to 2. Using equation of line, prove that these 3 points are collinear. How do we do it? We find out the equation of line using A 3, 0, B minus 2, minus 2. Equation of line using 2-point form is 2x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. In place of x put 8 and in place of y put 2. What do we get? LHS is equal to RHS equal to 0. That means points A, B and C are collinear. Students, kindly do this exercise in your copies. Thank you very much.